Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about two DDL commands and they are truncate and drop. So the drop command is used to drop the table from the database, including all the records inside it. So once we issue drop table command, the table structure will not be available in our database. So let's look at the syntax of drop table command. So to drop the table, we need to simply specify drop table keyword followed by the table name, which we want to drop from our database. The next command is truncate, which removes all the records from the table, but the table structure remain intact, which means if we issue a truncate command, it will delete all the data from the table, but table will reside in database. So let's look at the syntax of truncate table command also. So the syntax is truncate table followed by the table name. So let's look at the examples of the drop and truncate table commands. So here we are in our SQL developer. So we have a table in our database which is employee. So let's see the data inside it. So we have three records under this employee table. Let's first issue the truncate table command, which will remove all the data from our table. To do so, we need to specify the keyword truncate table followed by the table name. So the table employee has been truncated. Now let's select the data, what is left. So if you notice here, no data is available under employee table because we have issued the truncate table command. But if you notice here, even though the data has been deleted, the table structure remains same. Whereas if we issue the drop table command, the table structure itself will get deleted from our database. So let's use the drop table command with our employee table. So we have dropped the table from our database. Now, if we try to fetch the data from our employee table, we will get an error that the table or view does not exist anymore, which means the table structure itself has been deleted from our database. In the previous section, we have seen that we can also use the delete command to delete the records from our database table. Now, what is the use of truncate table when we already have delete command in place? So let's try to understand the difference between truncate and delete commands. So here are the three major differences between delete and truncate commands. So the first one is delete is a DML command and truncate is a DDL command, which means whenever we issue a delete command to remove the records from the table, we need to perform the commit as it is a DML command. Whereas in truncate, there is no commit required to make the changes permanent. The second difference is if we remove the data using delete command, we can roll back those records into our table if the commit is not issued. Whereas once we issue our truncate table command, we cannot roll back the data in the table again. And the third difference between delete and truncate command is we can use the where clause to delete only selected data from table, whereas there is no such where clause which we can use with truncate table command, and hence it deletes all the data at one go. So these are the three major differences between delete and truncate. So you can use any of them based on the situation. That's it for today. That is what I wanted to cover. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.